On the Farm Part 2. Here we go. Now, what were you guys saying? Tell me what you said one more time.
I ain't saying it. I'm not saying it. I ain't saying it. Because that kid does not need to worry about my business.
Got him! Real session!
That's gonna make millions.
Hopefully. I only get like 14 views per vid, so I'm just starting.
What's our YouTube channel?
E Brown Gaming 101. Check it out, please.
What's it called?
You dumb, bro. If you had a phone,
Elijah, I'll type up your wrong. Guess what? I ain't seen nothing.
you didn't type it in right.
I said Elijah Gaming.
It's E Brown. Yeah!
E Brown Gaming.
E Brown Gaming 101. I have 4 videos out right now. Oh yes! Look what this is, Ethan! Well, thank you guys for joining me and my friend Ethan. Come here, Ethan. Thank you guys for joining me and my friend Ethan for On the Farm Part 2. Let's get